Hello and welcome to room 612 at Park Hyatt Doha. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of this entry-level twin room at the 2019 opened hotel in Msheireb Downtown Doha, a relatively new district in the city. So it's not going to take too long. I'm just here for a quick overnight stay before I fly onwards from the airport, which is about a 20 to 30 minute drive away. There you go. You can tell which bed I've slept in. I'm on the 6th floor, as I said. Not the greatest view necessarily from this level, but still getting plenty of light, which is kind of a given when you're staying in Qatar. Here's the artwork. Go. Digital panel there to control the lights and the blinds and so on. Big TV. Little workspace, some type of humidifier over there, very discreet storage, plenty of it safe, iron, everything is all ready. Hotel's got a really good spa and wellness facilities. I was just up there, nice breakfast too, which I've just finished. Bathtub, there I am again. See, toilet over there, shower over there. And that's pretty much it. Like all of the hotels I share video tours of, I can secure preferential rates, special benefits, and other perks if you book with me through my company Loot. So feel free to message, details are in the description. And that is it for now.